What's going on? D Champ, intellectually stimulating. Here we go. One of the oldest things, one of the craziest things, one of the saddest things in life is to see a old hood bitch. A old ghetto bitch. 40, 50 years old, 55, 60, just talking about niggas ain't shit. You still hood and ratchet at 50, 40, 35. You still hood and ratchet. Don't you have any goals in life? Then you aspire to be anything else? No. So all you aspired to be was hood, ratchet, and ghetto, and you live your life that way. What is a man supposed to respect about that? 50, 40, 40, 38, 36, whatever. You grown and you still talking about men and shit. Why do you keep attracting ain't shit men? Cat Williams said, find out what it is about your pussy that keep attracting ain't shit niggas. What about you? What's inside of you that you keep attracting hood, ghetto, ratchet? Now, let me give you a new theory on the subject. 97% of the women in the United States of America are not worth dating, undateable, unwifeable, unrelationshipable. That's 3%. Someone said if every African American black man got married in this country, it would still be 2 million unmarried black women. That's my food. That's my phone. They said they said that if every black man got married, there would still be 2 million women left, which means that we at least gotta have 4 piece. Yes, we do. The numbers say so. Ladies, you've practiced hypergamy for years, so what's the problem? You country, you believe in courting. You know what courting really is? For a man to give all his attention to you and then you decide, nah, 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 nah. Some women's idea of courting is to receive a gift for the man to show you why you should date him. Fuck that. 3%. 3. 97% of y'all not worth it. Now, this is what some say. Single mothers, undateable. You got tattoos, you're undateable. You got colored hair, you are undateable. Ghetto hood ratchet, undateable. Thought culture, undateable. And unwifeable. You want to be a wife? Have you been trained to be a wife? Are you compassionate? Understanding? Can you cook healthy and eat healthy? 87% of the African American women in this country are obese. So the answer to that question is You want protection and provision. Why? Why do you want protection and provision? Protection from what? So basically, you want protection and the money. This is basically what you're saying. But you want equal rights, equal pay. And then you want it. Protection and more money. Thought culture. Old hood rats. Old hoes. Do people ever really change? That's another video. We have got to do better in our choices, men. All these thoughts and hood rats and ghetto hoes, most of them are alone, but all of them should be alone. We shouldn't get them some. We shouldn't get in no dick. Cause they ain't worth it. Do you know all of the country's resources that are there to support women being single? Industries, industries, billion-dollar industries are built on the fact that women are staying single, that they can't find husbands. Breaking it down, don't nobody want you. Ain't nobody gonna put up with you. Let's be honest, your kids don't like you. When your kids get 17, 18, they run from your ass. That's the truth. Thought culture, man. Old hoism. Old thoughts. But you know what the biggest problem is? You're thinking. As a man thinks. Fellas, we got problems, man. But you know the sad part about it is the majority of the problems that we have with dating and relationships and relating are with, from, and in women. And it's not all women because there is a 3%. There is a 3%. But the issue is, how do you know that that fine thing you just saw, that nice chocolate sister, how do you know that she isn't a part of the 3%, a part of the 97%, or somewhere in between? I'm gonna go get my food out the microwave. D-Champ. Intellectually stimulating. That whole culture, you old hoes need to retire. What's an old hoe? Any woman over 35. Over the line. Hit the wall. On the day of your 35th birthday, you should feel a pain in your body. What pain? You just hit the wall, woman. Let's debate. D-Champ. Intellectually stimulating. Let's talk about it.